Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I am putting up my flag of surrender, capitulating for the day because the market essentially kicked my ass. You can see this up top here on the top right. That is my P&L for the day, negative 1481. And that is a direct reflection of my frustration with what has been going on, not just today, but I would say over the last month or so. I have been in a drawdown. It is not going well. But here is what I do when I'm in a kind of crappy mood like this. I say, okay, you know what? It's not the end of the world. What am I grateful for? And two things that I can come up with immediately is one, I am grateful for you all. I very much appreciate your subscriptions. I very much appreciate when you like these posts or share these posts. That honestly means the world to me because what it does is it tells the algorithms at Substack and at YouTube to be like, hey, somebody actually cares about this video. Let's show it to more people. So I really, really do appreciate that. And I'm very, truly grateful for all those little buttons that you push to like, share, comment, whatever it is. Thank you. Additionally, and this is most especially on a day like today, I am very grateful for trader funding. Now, I didn't even know what trader funding was when I started trading. I've said recently that if I were to start all this over again and start from scratch, I would just start in trader funding, which I get it is a little bit of a controversial opinion because people say, no, no, you should be consistently profitable before you go into that. I'm like, no, no, let's actually save some money and learn how to do this in a very safe environment. So I, as you can see, did not win today, but this is not real money. And for that, I am truly grateful for the opportunity that I have to trade on an account where I can get paid when I show them consistent profits. But when it's not working out so well, like it hasn't been for me recently, it's not the end of the world because I am simply on a monthly subscription at a very reasonable rate. So with that, I did want to remind you that Apex has their 80% off sale going on now. It does end tonight. Now, I know back in the day they used to extend each sale and extend each sale and extend each sale. The times have changed. They're no longer doing that. Now, that doesn't mean that they won't do it. Maybe they will, but I wouldn't necessarily count on it. So today is your last day to lock in a really decently priced account that you can trade without risking your own money and even have some really bad days like I had today where you let your frustration get the best of you. That's exactly what I did today and still come out the other side okay, not having lost any real money. That to me is amazing, and I am truly grateful for that as well. So I'll put the link and the coupon code at the end of this video and down below if you would like to check it out. Again, that sale ends tonight. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.